of the pandemic are still not in control. Okay, so don't go out of your home and be at home. Enjoy a proper healthy meal. Take your food properly and at regular intervals. Clear? अच्छे से खाइए, healthy खाइए and keep on taking at regular intervals. That means after every 2 hours have something, and most important, go with lot of fruits like oranges, guavas. They are really good in these days. Okay beta? Now let's begin with our today's classes. So what are we going to do today? Today we are going to study English. But English में we are going to do something that we are doing since April. जब से आपकी classes begin हुई हैं, online classes begin हुई हैं, हम तब से ये work कर रहे हैं. Every day, regularly you are doing it. Today we are only going to write them on one page. So whenever I ask you what is the date today, okay, let me ask you today also. What is the date, class? So today is 12th November. 12th November? No, sorry. Today is 2nd December 2020. So what is the date? 2nd December 2020. Now after asking the date, what I ask you, what is the day today? And I've been asking this question since long. हर रोज since April मैम आपसे ये एक क्वेश्चन every day पूछ रही हैं. What is the day today? How many days we have in a week? Isn't it? So this is what we are learning since April. But today what we are going to do? You just have to write the name of all the days on a paper in your notebook. This is what we are going to do today. So today, days of the week is what we are going to write in our English notebook. Clear? Now, I am not going to teach you anything today. No, it's nothing to teach because I have been writing the day every day. हर रोज मैम लिख रहे थे what is the day today. We were discussing, we were revising it orally. It's only that we have to write the spellings today. Understood? So let's begin fast. Now tell me, how many days are there in a week? Can you tell me how many days are there? There. किसने बोला 7 days? No, you have to answer it in a sentence form. There are 7 days in a week. So how many days in a week? 7 days in a week. Yes, there are 7 days in a week. So all of you count out your 7 fingers fast. जल्दी से 7 fingers को count out करिए. Count out मतलब open करना. Yes, fast. Now we'll start saying the name and we will close one every time. So the first day, Monday. Yes, sorry, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Wednesday नहीं बोलना repeatedly. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday नहीं बोलते. It's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Sunday is a holiday, isn't it? Saturday को भी थोड़ा थोड़ा काम मिल जाता है करने को. Sometimes, generally for you Saturday is a holiday. कोई class नहीं होती है, no homework, so all must be time. But when you will grow a little, you will get your classes on Saturdays also. So be prepared, okay? Now, what we have to do? We are going to write the name of all these days one by one here first. And again, phonetically. ताकि आपको अभी के अभी तुरंत in this class itself, you learn it. Clear? Let's begin with the work. Okay, I'll take my chalk. Here it is. Now, so the first day, yes, again number लिखेंगे. तो जब हम number लिखते हैं ना, हम कभी mistake नहीं करेंगे while writing days of the week because we know there are 7 days. तो हमें 7 तो लिखना ही है. Clear? And always begin from Monday. From where you are going to begin? Monday. Let's begin then. So let's write on day. Monday. Isn't it? On Monday. Monday. Clear? Understood that? Now, next, what comes after Monday? Tuesday. U, is day, Tuesday. So let us learn Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. So repeat with me, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Now next we have is Tuesday, T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. What is the next day? T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. Now after Tuesday, which day will come after Tuesday? We have Wednesday. Yes. अब पता है जब हम इसको phonetically बोलेंगे तो Wednesday आता है, but when we say it together, it is Wednesday. Clear? So how we'll write? Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes, you can learn it as Wednesday, but when you pronounce it, you will speak it Wednesday. How you are going to speak? Wednesday. Clear? Now, coming to the next one. How we are going to write the next day? Yes, which is the next day? Thursday. Yes, T-H, Thurs. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. After Thursday, the fifth day we have, yes, the day on which you have your last class of the week, Friday. Very good. So, this is how we write F, Friday. After Friday, yes, which is the next day after Friday we have Saturday. Clear? And yes, the seventh one, the last one is Sunday. So you know how to write sun, you know how to write day. It's a Sunday. Clear? So let us revise once again. The first day of the week, Monday. So say with me, M-O-N-D-A-Y. It's Monday. Say with me once again, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Next we have is Tuesday. The second day is Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. After Tuesday we have Wednesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. Clear? Okay. After Wednesday we have Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. Clear? Next is Friday. F-R-I, Friday. D-A-Y. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. Okay. Next we have is Saturday. S-A-T, Sat. U-R-R, D-A-Y, Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. And the last, the holiday, the fun day, that is Sunday. Yes, S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Isn't it great? So now, every day ma'am was writing there. Now you have to write all these names 2 times in your notebook. How we are going to do? 2 times कैसे करना है? So I'll just show you that work, but do this work in your notebook. Clear? Is that clear class? So अभी वर्क हम नोटबुक में कैसे करेंगे? I'll just show you, but you have to do it. And I hope because we are writing it every day, you might have learned also. If not, please do that today. Okay? So class, now let's see how we are going to write the days of the week in our notebook as I told you twice. Clear? So the first thing that we are going to do is write today's date. So today is 2nd December. Write 2nd December 2020. So like this you will write the date and mention classwork here. Understood? Now next we have to write the topic. The topic is days of the week. Clear? Now let's begin with the work. So which is the first we have written Monday. Yes. Now say the spelling. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday. First we have written. Now comes the next. So what comes after Monday? Which day comes after Monday? Tuesday. Yes. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y. Tuesday. Now next, after Tuesday, we have Wednesday. Yes. Wednesday. Clear? Sorry. So we'll write Wednesday. Understood that? W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y. Wednesday. Next we are going to write. Yes, which is the next day we have? Thursday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. So how you are going to write? T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y. Thursday. After that, Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. F-R-I-D-A-Y. Friday. After Friday we have Saturday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. After Friday we have Saturday. And last, which is the last day, 7th day? Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. Isn't it? You enjoy this day with your family and everyone at home now? Okay. Now this is we have written for once. Clear? Now for the next time what you will do, you will write it here once again. Monday. I told you you have to write twice now. Monday. Tuesday. Then we have Wednesday. After Wednesday comes Thursday. Yes, what day comes after Thursday? Friday. After that, Saturday. And the last we have Sunday. Sunday is a holiday. We enjoy with family, isn't it? So Sunday, I wait for Sunday. Even I waited. Yes, बहुत मज़ा आता है घूमने में. Sunday को हम कहीं भी जा सकते हैं. Okay? So class, like this, you are going to write your work as classwork, and homework is same as classwork. Clear? So what you will do after writing this work once as your today's classwork, you will open a fresh page, the next page, and you will write it here once again as your today's homework. So this is how you are going to do your today's work of days of the week. Is that clear to everyone? So students, I hope you have understood how to do the work in notebook once as your classwork and once as your homework today. Clear? And after that, don't forget to learn them also. For that, let's have a quick revision once again. Monday, M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, Tuesday. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, Wednesday. T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y, Thursday. F-R-I-D-A-Y, Friday. S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y, Saturday. S-U-N-D-A-Y, Sunday. Is that clear to all? So now please finish your work and please do learn them also. Take care. And yes, one thing more which I want to acknowledge you. Now your tests are coming from Friday. So please prepare all the topics carefully. The topics that we have done from the month of September till today. Clear? आज तक हमने जो भी किया है, for that you can refer your syllabus booklet. जो आपके पास hard copy syllabus है, refer the syllabus of September, October and November month. So these 3 months syllabus will be coming for these upcoming tests. Okay?